Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Low miles and loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, alloy wheels, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system. Come take a test drive today.